Let's hear what the Young Turks of Congress Party said as I try and connect back to Bengaluru.
You know, he presented his speech was in context of a different set of parameters. He tried to broaden the issue of corruption from what is a Lokpal bill to perhaps having a constitutional authority like the Election Commission, which by the way functions very well and nobody has ever complained or questioned its credibility. 1 minute. So the point is that he is one of many people who has a very strong opinion on what needs to be done. He is one of many people who has a very strong opinion on what the solution for fighting corruption is, and even in the context of the Lokpal ambit. But sadly, if Parliament doesn't debate this, where are we going to debate this? I don't understand.
We have all been trying to address the issue that Anna Hazare has raised. And I think the issues that he's raised are very important, and the whole country is an agreement of the basic fight against corruption. Now, how to deal with that, the modalities, the legal issues, the constitutional issues that pertain to the formulation of the bill and passing of legislation, etc., had to be discussed. But I think what now has happened is that the government has fulfilled its commitment of initiating a discussion in Parliament, which is what has been the prime demand of Anna Hazare ji. That's why I've also requested him very humbly to end his fast, because now the country has heard him, the government has heard him, and the entire country's parliament, and there is no greater platform than the Indian parliament to take up those issues. So we, I think, now are in a position to discuss, deliberate, and come up with some meaningful solutions to the problem.
We've always been concerned of what is happening, and we are concerned about Mr. Anna Hazare, his health, and his fast should break, and the way forward of making a strong Lokpal bill, Jan Lokpal, or whichever way, whatever ideas that have come across the board are incorporated. And even today, Mr. Rahul Gandhi has gone one step ahead and initiated an idea of a election commission, sort of a Lokpal, which will be a statutory body under the constitution, which will be far more stronger and more, I would say, effective. So that's why we are putting our point across that what the BJP is doing is only politics of talking, showing sympathy, but when it comes to discussions in Parliament, where it comes to efforts being taken to resolve the crisis, when it comes to his fast being broken, where Mr. Hazare has wished that discussion should take place on the Lokpal, and when that was initiated, the BJP has disrupted the proceedings of the House, and time is of essence, and they've ensured that today the discussion cannot be held.
No, I think I would sincerely request Annaji to consider this view, and I would request Annaji and his team to consider this point. And without making the Lokpal a constitutional body like the Central Election Commission, there would not be enough teeth within the Lokpal to actually live up to the expectations of curbing corruption.